Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. Hope you guys had a fabulous week and ready for an amazing weekend. Today, this is the freebie. Yes, it's one of my favorite page. It's a lovely Christmas background full of poinsettia, the red one, and there are some hollies on the background too. I love this. This page here has been designed using one of the page included in my Merry and Bright bundle. As you guys are aware, on my website you see all my digital papers grouped into bundles, and also I've just launched 14 books. What do you mean when you say books? My books are, this is the Christmas book. There is only one Christmas book. It's books that have been designed. You guys print them off, you can put it together like I've done, just simply glue it on one side, and these are books that you can print it and keep it and just looking at it like I do. And I'm very proud that I have designed these books or of course they've been designed to be used. Okay, so you print the pages, and then every now and again you pull a page, you know, you tear it and use it for any projects that you want to do. I'm going to show you everything in just a second. So these are my books. I got 3 printed, but I'm printing them as I got along. So they all got the same setup. So they got the cover with a lovely ribbon, and then the first page is where you put your name, a QR code so you can use your phone and take you straight to my social medias, and then yeah, a little bit about me, and then all the pages. Okay, these are upside down actually, I just noticed when I put them together. So yeah, and then at the last 2 pages are my, you can see all my collections of my books that you can collect and then print and use. Okay, so that's my Christmas book. So in these, as I said, the freebie today is part of my Merry and Bright bundle. I've got 3 bundles on my website that you can find them all year long. One is called Christmas Embellishment, one is called Nostalgic Noel, and the last one is called Merry and Bright. So one is got 66 pages, 76, 180 and 141. Throughout the month of November, when you join my newsletter, you get a little code where you can get those 3 on a 3 for 2 offer. So you buy 3, but 1 is free, so you only pay for 2. Okay, so the cheapest is free. Let me show you where to find this freebie. As usual guys, 2 ways to get my freebie. Way number 1 is to join my newsletter. My newsletter is an email, and I will put it here on the screen on the left hand side. I send out every Friday at 9 p.m. British time. There is a video recap of the week, papers of the week. There is always a cheeky discount code or a little offer for you to enjoy. It's just a very nice email for chit chat, sometime twice a week, so just look out. And way number 2, because by the time you watch this video, the newsletter has already gone out to everybody, so you won't be able to receive this freebie. But when you join, you will be able to receive next week and the following weeks, etc. So if you want today's freebie, and there is about 300 freebies I have shared on my channel in the last couple of years. It's all put together on my Facebook group, and again I've put on the screen. My Facebook group is an interactive community where myself and other creators and other crafters shares the project, freebies, ideas, videos, etc. So it's a very interactive platform where you can see all my freebies in date order. Okay, so once you join in, you click on files and you'll be able to download everything that is in there in date order. So it's a kind of archive where you can go and help yourself and download everything that is in there. Okay guys, so this is my website, antoniomakes.com. There you can recognize it by the beautiful butterflies there that shed its wings. So when you click on my website, straight away the home page, you can see all my bundles, including the starter pack. Okay, so these are all my bundles of papers. They're very good value for money. You get tons on pages. So this one it's the mega bundle. You get 166 pages for all $11.99. I mean, I cannot even give you any cheaper than that. When you select any bundle, so for example, if we select this one, the first square here is the preview. The second one is a little video showcase every single page. Okay, so you'll be able, guys, to see a preview of what you get. Okay, now if you click on journals, that's all the journals that I have for sale. This is the last one left. When you click on books, these are my books that I just mentioned today. So loads and loads of them. Okay, so if you click on them, you see the preview. And then again, same, if you click on the video, which is the second square, you'll be able to see every single page that is included in the book. Okay, and then here you get my VIP lounge, where is the monthly membership, where every month you get 30% discount across everything on my website. You get digital papers, unique digital papers sent to your email box, a gift box template, and a private video. So you can pay once, or you can pay once, and that will last for the entire year, or you can pay just as little as £2 a month. Okay, so my digital bundles, my books, and my membership program. Okay, guys, it's all clear. I'll show you my bundles, I'll show you my books, show you where to get the freebie. So yeah, subscribe to my newsletter, because every Friday I send the email. You don't have to do anything. It's very, very easy. Okay, I'll do the hard job for you. Okay, guys, I'm going to go. And then if you make some project, please share them on my Facebook group, so we all take inspiration from one another. Okay, guys, have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. Big thumbs up if you like my freebies. I really, truly appreciate your support on my YouTube, because every time you guys interact with me, YouTube get a little notification. So yeah, it really helps me. Enjoy the freebie. I'll see you next week, and until then, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.